Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make Kalanchoe bloom. To encourage your Kalanchoe to flower again, you need to mimic its natural short-day cycle. This means providing a strict period of darkness each day. It's a crucial step that signals to the plant it's time to produce those beautiful blossoms. Let's dive into the exact steps to achieve this vibrant display. The key to reblooming Kalanchoe is consistent darkness. For 14 hours every day, your plant needs to be in absolute dark. This means no street lights, no room lights, nothing. You can place it in a closet or cover it with a thick box. The remaining 10 hours should be in bright, indirect light. This strict cycle is essential for bud formation. While your Kalanchoe is undergoing its dark treatment, adjust its watering schedule. Water sparingly, allowing the top 1 inch of soil to dry completely before watering again. Overwatering can lead to root rot, especially when the plant is less active. Also, aim for cooler temperatures, ideally between 50 and 60 degrees Fahrenheit, to further encourage blooming. Once the 6 to 8 week dark period is complete, gradually reintroduce your Kalanchoe to bright, indirect light. You can then resume your normal watering schedule and begin fertilizing with a balanced liquid fertilizer every 2 to 4 weeks. Soon, you'll see new flower buds forming, leading to a spectacular bloom. For more great tips and deals, including a link for Little Tree's black ice to keep your car smelling fresh, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.